Ah, yeah.
What is that?
What's going on? Oh my gosh!
Trampoline. Oh.
Trampoline!
Trampoline.
Have you used one of those before?
Woo, no, never.
Oh my gosh, did Santa eat the cookies and milk?
Yeah.
Look at all your presents. Oh, just a trampoline, huh?
Is that fun?
What did Santa give you?
Whoa.
Trampoline.
Merry Christmas. Did Santa give you a trampoline?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that so you don't jump on the couch?
Is that nice? Jake, look at the camera.
Can you say hi?
Hi.